Hello soulmates, welcome back to my channel. Alright, so in today's video we are going to learn how to draft a basic senator top using the fashion priest method. Right now, here we have our 4 inches for your hemline. Then you mark out the baseline first and then apply 4 inches there. Then from the 4 inches you are now going to apply your top length. So now the top length I have is 35 inches. So from there I apply my top length 35 inches. So make sure you cross check your measurements before you start the application, right? So apply your top length of 35 inches now, or whatever length you have. Bear in mind that this length was gotten from the customer's measurement, right? Apply the length. So after that you get this point which we now serve for your shoulder line. Then mark out the line that will be for your shoulder. Then after which you are now going to mark out your armhole. Now the simplest method to get your armhole is to divide your chest by 4 and subtract 1 inch from it. Now this method is used for both long sleeves and short sleeves. It works for both adults and kids. So the chest I have is 45. Alright, then I did over 4, which is 11 1/4 minus 1 from it gave me 10 1/4. So I just had to pick 10 to apply as my armhole, right? Then from here I will now mark the real chest measurement, which is the 11 1/4, and then I add extra 1.5 inches. Now the maximum you can add is 2 inches while the minimum is 1.5. Then on the shoulder you are going to slope your rule or your tape rule for tape on that line. Then the extent of sloping is 2.5, right? Then 2.5, then you have to first of all gauge where it's going to fall, then mark 2.5 there, and then place your ruler in this form and apply your shoulder plus extra half an inch. Now you get that mark there. You must have this mark, this cross-like mark on at that base. Then the neckline is divided by 6, then minus 0.3 from the answer. You mark the letter answer on that width, then add half to that and then get your depth, right? Then whatever you use to get your armhole, your neckline, you have to minus half from 0.3 from it and mark on the width, and then you must make sure you get that line there. Then connect the line as shown, right? Connect the line as shown. And then when the line is being placed that way, then you mark this line in this form, the neck depth in this form. You also mark the width in this form as well, getting the angle 90 there. Then with the help of your armhole curve or pattern master, you connect in this form. Then after which the next to do is to slope your ruler 3 inches or 2 inches inwards that way and bring down the shoulder line a bit slashed or sloped, right? So this still depends on how big your customer is. Then with the help of your pattern master as well, you now make a curvy connection from there to form your armhole, right? So this is also an awareness that there will be an online training on how to make proper neck clothes using the fashion priest method, which will start on the 8th of January 2024. So if you're interested to join the class, find the number on this video and then send a message on Telegram, and then for you to be added to the group. Please note, this is a paid class, right? So when you send a message on the Telegram number, an admin will reply you and give you the price, right? So you just have to send you're interested in the 2024 online class. This is for both beginners and advanced and also intermediate, so everybody can participate on this, even though you don't have an idea on how to make male clothes. If you have already, come also and get yourself updated with the new fashion priest method of drafting a normal senator outfit. Now here we have cut out the front panels, and then we are trying to place it out to trace the back. Now the simplest thing to do here is to make sure that the panels are properly arranged. Then you are going to raise here 2.5 inches and 2.5 inches, right? Then you connect the lines in this form. Right now, please note importantly that this method does not discard or disqualify previous methods or patterns I have used in teaching us. So this is just a different way of doing things, so which I decided to bring it up to our notice for us to also learn. So when you have marked that, when you now get your neck depth that way, and then use the armhole cup and connect. Now please bear in mind that all of these things I am doing here will be explained in detailed form or manner when we start our January 8th of January class. Please make sure you endeavor to enroll in this class, and then don't miss it. Don't miss. Tell your friends, tell your neighbors, tell your siblings, your colleagues, even your students in your office. It's for everybody, both for new students, the ogas, and new apprentices, because you will learn or see how to do things in a different way, which might interest you and which might help you to, build your brand the more to succeed in this fashion industry. Right now, all the methods I will be showing you here are already tested and trusted, so don't be scared on if it will work for you. It's working for me, that means it must also work for you, if only you can keep to the rules that or the guidelines that will be outlined. Now if you notice, the armhole of the back is a bit wider by half an inch thereabout. Then fold the back panel to come in front that way, and then trim off any excesses on the front neckline and also on the armhole line. Right, so all right guys, so I will leave you here, and then I would like to see you in class come 8th of January 2024. Right, please make sure you enroll in this class. Send a message on the number on the screen via Telegram. Please note it is for Telegram users, solely for Telegram users. There will be no WhatsApp class or any other platform tutorial. Thanks for watching guys. Hope to see you in class 8th of January 2024. Bye bye for now.